Hello guys, welcome to the new video. So today in this video I will be installing the Pixel OS ROM for the Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime. So it is based on the Android version 9, which is the Pi version. So to install that ROM, first go to wipe, then advanced wipe, then select system, Dalvik, cache and data, and just swipe to wipe. So after doing this, now go to install and then select the storage. In my case it's in the micro SD card. So here is the Pixel OS. You may get the error 7 while installing the ROM, but you can fix it really easy. Just go to YouTube and search for the error 7 fix method for the TWRP image recovery. You will get the solution there. So I have done the similar way. So just select the file. So here I am selecting the Pixel OS ROM, and just swipe to confirm the flash. So it will just take around like 1 to 3 minutes for installing. So let's just wait. So it's been installed, and you can find this unknown command log. Just ignore it. It's just kind of error between the logs, and just ignore it. And the good thing about this ROM is the GApps is already pre-installed, so you no need to install the GApps again, because already the Play Store and Google Apps and Google Play services are also already installed, so no need to worry. And just go to Reboot System and it will just boot into the new ROM. So it will take around like 5 to 10 minutes for booting up, because it's a new fresh ROM. So, and the device is pretty old now, so just wait for the booting process. You can see the logo, it's quite good, I guess. And I was amazed when the developers launched the Pixel ROM for such an old device. Like, I didn't expect that they will be making this Pixel ROM for our Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime. So kudos to the developers who made this ROM. So let's just wait till it boots. So guys, you can currently see we are in the setup screen. So let's just set this up, and it's currently looking like the Google Pixel device. If you guys have used it, you can see it's pretty similar. Let's just get this thing, and the Wi-Fi is connecting. Yes, it can detect both of the Wi-Fi. Let's just skip this thing also. Continue. And yeah, it's currently PM. Okay. Not now. I will skip the phone lock for now, and it's just setting up. So yeah, we're in the home screen. Let me just increase the brightness, and you can see it's looking pretty similar like the Google Pixel devices ROM, like the stock Android, pretty stock. Let's go to settings. It's kind of a bit laggy because it just set it up. And let me just go to the about section, and here's the device name. It's showing the SM-G530H. Let me just see the Android version. Yeah, you can see it's running on the Android version Pi, which is pretty good. Let me just see the recent settings. Okay, this is the recent. And yeah, as you can see, I already said it before, the Google Play Store and the rest of the Google services are already installed. So just install those apps of the Google which you need. Let me just check the camera if it's working or not. And this one is also working fine, no issues. So yeah, that's it for the video guys. Hope you like it. And the next video will be based on the Superior OS ROM, which is also based on the Android version 9 Pi. So stay tuned for that. Thank you.